Hi everyone, today I'll be making a video on how you install the IP Powerlink module directly into the GTX panel. Other panels are quite similar. We will be making more videos on how as we go along with the other panels. I'll also be making another video how you configure the IP module, but today it's just a fitting of it. So you unscrew the two screws underneath the panel. Once they're done, you can lift the face off and you need to unplug the power port. Once you've done that, get the IP module. It'll only fit in one certain way, so if you try to put it in like this, it won't go in. It'll go in that way and you'll feel it's actually fixed in place. Once it's fixed in place, you see the Ethernet ports on this side. It comes with two screws. They'll be in the packet and you just screw them in. So once it's screwed in, you have this ribbon cable. All you do is put one side into here. It's got a little bump there, so you just make sure that slots in the right way. Put that there. The other side will go into the panel. I'll put that in now. Again, we have to make sure that's going in the right way. And then once we do that, plug the power back in, and that's it really. You just close the panel back up. I'll plug this power in. You close the panel back up, and that's it.